Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm a PhD student at the John Curtin School of Medical Research here at ANU. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the 3-minute thesis competition and its ongoing effects in my life. So I basically started out doing the 3-minute thesis competition as a bit of fun, something a bit different from the research that I was doing, and to get a bit more of an idea of how my research could really have a big impact on the community. Any one of you, anywhere, at any time, could have a seizure and die, just like that. So I started off here a year ago and I was just working 10 hours a day in the lab, not really seeing that many people, and was very focused on my specific little project. But through the 3-minute thesis competition, I was able to expand that into a knowledge of how my project affects the wider community and different outreach possibilities with that project. Through the 3-minute thesis competition, I was exposed to various people coming up to me and telling me their personal life stories or that of their friends or family or even their pets that have had epilepsy or severe seizures. And to me, that really put a face to the disease that I'm studying. It really gave me a personal appreciation for the condition and how important it is to work towards finding a cure or suitable treatment. All right, so in terms of understanding my project, this has been a huge help to me. It's really helped me clarify exactly what I want to study and why. Epilepsy is a huge disease. There's a lot of different things that you can study with it, and it really helped me fine-tune the aims of my research and what I thought was most important. And on top of that, it then actually made me able to better communicate my research to people that didn't really have that much of an understanding of epilepsy or neuroscience in general. I'm trying to stop seizures from spreading and becoming life-threatening. In other words, I want to stop the electrical firestorm while it's just a little spark. Fine-tuning my speech, and through the different heats in the competition, I was able to get feedback on my speech and what people understood and what was too complex for them. And so that actually helped me understand that the wider population don't really understand what a seizure is a lot of the time. On top of that, it also exposed my research to the wider academic community. So I've been to 2 conferences since doing the 3-minute thesis competition. And through the 3-minute thesis competition, I was interviewed by both national and local radio stations, and people at the conference actually came up to me and said, "Oh, I'd heard about your research on the radio and thought that it was really interesting," and that encouraged them to come along to my presentations. So that was pretty exciting and an avenue that I didn't expect from just a humble little 3-minute speech.